the commitment that you've shown, the dedication that you've shown, and I will say the family that's been created within this group is palpable, and we are so excited.
You have done the work, the energy, the effort, the commitment, and the dedication to complete this journey. That is really the monumental achievement, and I want to congratulate you again on that work.
So you are pioneers, you truly are, and we could not be more appreciative to what you have done. The commitment, the focus, the passion, and the energy that you all have brought to it is truly remarkable.
We have all the utmost confidence in all of you that you're going to help us achieve our missions and our goals, and we're going to figure it out together.
And in the end, the outcome is a team, a cohort that went through that whole thing now for the first time, setting an example, setting the standards, hopefully setting the bar high for whoever's going to follow.
And when we're coming together, when people come together with partnerships and collaboration in mind, and we create innovative and unique solutions to help solve those challenges.
Again, thank you to Midlands Technical College for working with us to really design something that works for our business and allows our folks to be successful.